All right, good morning, trade pros. Welcome to our morning market update for this beautiful Tuesday, January 21st, 2019. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Just want to make sure that the YouTube thing is working here because last time kind of screwed up. Vicky, everyone can see what you're browsing on the screen, so be careful what you browse. Yeah. Oh, no, that's Mark. Marky, you're three. So, not that they're going to be browsing anything inappropriate, but who knows? Maybe they will, and this is not how I want to find out. All right, let's get started. Um, Welcome to our morning market update. Hope you guys are having a great day so far. First, I want to begin, if you don't mind, by talking about this book that we launched and released. And I want to just make sure YouTube's still working because I touched the camera and it's very sensitive. All right. If you guys picked up a copy of this, first and foremost, thank you so much. This project has meant a lot for me. All right. I put in my heart and soul into this, and it is now out. All right. It's out on Amazon. It's a very thin book. It's a very easy read, and I could probably even finish it in one read, and that was the goal of it. And the end of every chapter, there's some questions to get you started on your trading journey. So rather than just tell you about me, I wanted to tell you about me and then use my experience to create your journey and what it would look like, what you want it to look like. A lot of times we don't think about our journey. We just think about, hey, if we can start trading profitably, everything's going to be all right. But that's not true. You have to think about what you want before you even get it. Otherwise, how are you supposed to get it? All right, how's the universe to know what to give you? So this is the intent of this book. Very meaningful to me, near and dear to my heart. Wrote it with from the depths of over here. All right. Thank you for picking this up. Now the good news: we hit number one bestseller in two categories: futures trading and online trading. You know, that was when we kind of released a project. That was my main goal, and we achieved it in two categories, and as high up as I think what number 10 or something. Excuse me, in business and finance, which is great. We went against a lot of big categories for that number one spot, including Flash Boys. We beat out a lot of other books. So thank you guys. Without you, that wouldn't have happened. I really appreciate you. I send you love, joy, and happiness. All right. The Kindle ebook is coming out at some point next week. Stay tuned. And then we're working on a potential for Audible also. All right. So thank you, thank you, thank you once again. I really appreciate it. The book is still out there if you want to get a copy. All right. But thank you for helping make it number one. It's officially a number one best-selling book on Amazon. All right. Tear to my eye. Overnight, stocks dropped across the globe. All right. Following a pretty big and rapid sell-off in Asian markets. All right. On concerns that a mysterious virus is spreading throughout China. All right. And there are now 6 casualties and 224 people affected. And this comes right as travel is expected to boost into the Lunar New Year for China. Okay. And the World Health Organization is going to meet tomorrow to discuss whether or not to declare an emergency for this outbreak. All right. A global emergency. And if you guys remember the SARS epidemic in 2003, it took down 0.8% of GDP out of China's productivity. And so markets are a little bit worried about this, that we're going to lose control and the infections are going to spread. All right. So anyone in China, hope you're safe. If you're listening to this, we send you guys strength and healing energy. And, I hope that we get this under control. The WHO is going to be meeting about this tomorrow, so I'm sure there'll be some updates. All right. For now, the market's seeing that as a little bit of a risk off type of event, saying, hey, if travel decreases, consumption decreases, this could have a contagion effect globally. All right. But it's in the very early stages, and, I'm more than sure that they're going to contain it. Other downside sentiment a little bit is that Donald Trump's impeachment trial officially begins today. All right. He is officially impeached, and now the trial commences at 1 p.m. Eastern today. Democrats accusing him of high crimes and misdemeanors. And the very first part of this whole trial is going to be setting how the rules are going to go for the trial, what will happen, whether there's going to be people called up as witnesses. All right, what's required? 7 Democrats are charged by Nancy Pelosi. Not charged, but given the task of executing this and acting as prosecutors in this trial. And from the sounds of it, it sounds like it's going to be wrapped up within a few short weeks. So not looking to stretch it out. There's reading that there's going to be opening remarks and then 2 days on the stand each and then deliberation afterwards. So it looks like it's set to be a pretty short trial. All right, at the moment, odds are very, very low of impeachment. But as new facts come out and new information comes out, no doubt the stock market will assimilate and price it in and cause some volatility. So be on the lookout and mostly on the listen with the news squawk. Be around communities like ours. We're going to get through this together. It's going to create a lot of opportunity day trading wise, but it could cause a little bit of uncertainty and volatility in your longer term positions and portfolios. All right, in today's markets, Japan's down 1%, Hong Kong's down 2.8%. Like I said, carnage in Asian markets. China's down 1.4%, India's down 0.5%. In Europe at midday, London's down 1%, Paris down 0.9%, Frankfurt down 0.2%. In the U.S., Dow and S&P down 0.4%, and Nasdaq down 0.5%, 0.5 percentage point. Crude oil is down 1.3%, gold's down 0.4%. So you can see even risk-off assets that prosper when there is a rally, are dropping as well. Bitcoin's flat. All right. If you want to know about gold, everything you need to know about gold and trading it, today is our elite call. All right. We're doing a call with our elite members. Every month, we present to them one new topic. It's kind of like ongoing education. Like any industry where you're considered a professional, you need to get ongoing, continuing education to stay as a professional. Because imagine going to a doctor and the last textbook you read was in 1960. It wouldn't be good, right? Imagine going to an airplane and the last time the pilot flew an emergency scenario on a simulator was when he was at home playing Microsoft Flight Simulator. He's never done in his professional career. That's scary. Yet in trading, it's not scary to never get continuing education. Think about that for a moment. All right, it should scare you. So this is part of our continuing education drive. We have these monthly webinars. We do one webinar the third Tuesday of every month on various topics. The good news is those are topics that you guys or members suggest to us. We create the content around it. We have an archive of over 12 at the moment. Actually, more than that. We've been doing it for more than a year. You can go and listen to all of them if you sign up for an elite membership. All right. Sign up today. You can be part of that call. And sign up tomorrow. You can listen to the replay. But it's going down tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern. We're talking everything you need to know about gold, including the history of gold, how to trade it, what bracket orders that we like to use, and a simple strategy that you could use to get started with it. All right. That's today at 8 p.m. for elite members. In the economic calendar today, absolutely no major economic events are scheduled. In fact, this whole week is very light on U.S. economic data. Tomorrow, there's no data that's a major impacting event today. All right, but tomorrow we're going to get some stuff out of Canada, Bank Canada's rate statement, the overnight rate, and a press conference that happens at 10 a.m. rather. And on Thursday, we're going to get some European data, the ECB press conference. And then on Friday, a bunch of European data as well with German flash manufacturing, French flash manufacturing, and UK flash manufacturing, as well as core retail sales out of Canada. So a lot of the major economic events on the calendar for this week are outside the US. World leaders are assembling in Davos, Switzerland. All right, while this impeachment trial begins, Donald Trump is actually talking in Davos, trying to wheel and deal some negotiations to bring some investment home. All right, the world elite are there at the moment. I declined my ticket because I wanted to be with you guys. All right. Right, that happened. All right. That's all we got for you guys today. Once again, thank you so much for supporting the project. If you haven't got a copy yet, please do. This is a great book, and anyone who buys the book and emails me through the email campaign at least gets a chance to win a one-on-one coaching session with me for an hour. And I'm going to donate the full proceeds of this book, all right, to a charity that we decide. I'm going to do a little contest on YouTube, and we'll decide what cause we give it to. I didn't write this to make money, right? Even though it's called Path to Profit, I ain't trying to make money off this book. I'm just trying to share my story. All right, so I'm going to donate all the proceeds of this book to a cause, and you guys are going to help me decide what cause it is. And we're going to walk in and donate it together on YouTube Live. All right, it's going to be fun. So there you go. Pick up a copy, support the story, but more importantly, support a charity and create your own. Love you guys. Have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much. We made it. Number one. I would throw this, but this is even my copy. All right, bye, guys. Have a great day. Love you all. Love, joy, and happiness, and see you tomorrow. Take care and goodbye. All right, trade pros in the room. Let's kick it off by sending it to our oil desk. And let's see what we get. I think we'll get some excitement and volatility today. Let me just see some comments. Joseph says, good morning. Can't wait to read it. You're most welcome, sir. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you, Pele. Going to start off on the weekend. All right, Dimitri, it's going to be a good weekend read. It'll be a short read if you read fast. Awesome. 944 trillion reasons why the Fed's quietly bailing out hedge funds. Dimitri, I saw that. I'm actually going to make a video about this. It's very interesting, and I'm keeping tabs on that as well. Interesting article. How about the Chris charity? No, Chris, you need to create your own charity to give. The Chris charity. I like it. YouTube, take care. Love you guys. See you tomorrow. Goodbye. Chris Charity. Oh, Chris.